We have a beautiful member of the Unicera family here. Our orange honeysuckle blossomed this week and looks really stunning. The flowers are big draw for pollinators and birds that love the sweet nectar. This is where the name honeysuckle comes from. Honeysuckles are climbing vines that need proper pruning. They grow quickly and have to be kept under control, otherwise can become a bit invasive. Deciduous shrubs like this one can be pruned after flowering, but if the plant is too overgrown, it can be cut back in late winter or early spring. Easy to grow, honeysuckles are generally pest-free, but sometimes they get infested by aphids, especially before flowering. Soap and water are an easy solution to get rid of the aphids, or if the infestation is small, you can just remove and squash the insects. Honeysuckles prefer moist soil and partial shade. During hot and dry weather, it's good to mulch around the roots to prevent them getting powdery mildew. The family of honeysuckles is quite large. It counts over 180 varieties, so you can choose whether you want an evergreen or deciduous variety. Time for flowering and flower colors also vary, but any plant you choose will be a bright addition to your garden and will give it that romantic cottage charm.